We'll share a secret with you guys how we fix valve lifter noise without taking the engines apart on Ford Mustang. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang. It could be practically any generation Ford Mustang, guys. And if you have valve lifter noise on your Ford Mustang, you want to see how we can fix that without taking the engine apart, because most of the times, 4, 6, 8 cylinder engines, the new ones have 4 cylinders, but it's quite a bit of trouble to do that. Stay with us guys, we'll explain how we can easily do that often without taking the engine apart, and how we can fix valve lifter noise. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart guys. Anything from transmissions, engines, bodywork, interior, exterior. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return for providing these free videos, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. That way we can keep making them. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate on that 2019 GT 5.0, but even if you have a different engine guys, 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder engine, the new EcoBoost as well, it will work the same way. So valve lifters guys, how you can easily fix valve lifter noise. First guys, when your engine runs, you know, it will have some buildup of carbon buildup, oil buildup, and dirty things on the inside of the engine. That buildup eventually can prevent oil flow from going the right way. Oil may not reach valve lifters, holes can get plugged up, oil channels can get guys shrinked, and as a result the oil flow can be compromised as well. So what we recommend before doing an oil change guys, use an engine flush, on your Ford Mustang. I'm not kidding guys, I wasn't a believer until I used that liquid moly engine flush. We even made a special video. We were not going to make it until we actually used it on a Porsche Cayenne, and we opened the engine with almost 200,000 miles, and after the engine flush it looked like new. So you can check out the video. Does liquid moly work? Does liquid moly engine flush work? Demonstrated on old Porsche guys. Check it out, it will show you the results. So do an engine flush. Doing that guys, what it will do, it will actually remove the contamination from inside the engine. It can open oil passages, it can clean oil passages, it can clean build up. Later you need to get a good quality oil for your Ford Mustang guys. We're using again the liquid moly. It's not sponsored video, they didn't send us the stuff. It's stuff that we've been using that we love guys. Products that we love ourselves. We've been using them in our BMWs quite often and Mercedes, and now we started on the Mustang, and it's day and night difference. Good quality oil guys, get one of those. This one is the Special Tech, and you can see more about it on the back side, about fuel economy, increased fuel economy, reduction of friction and wear, speed of penetration, deposit prevention, and oil film strength. It lists all these characteristics. So change the engine oil, put new really good quality or original oil filter after the engine flush and the oil change, because good quality oil filter can make the oil flow better as well. And next guys, that's our secret device right here. After all that, use the Ceratec liquid moly, Ceratec made in Germany. This one guys, it's a high-tech ceramic wear protection for engines. It extends service life, less friction means reduced fuel consumption and less wear, and it lasts up to 30,000 miles. You can see it says that it reduces friction by 75% and reduces wear by 34% guys. So we're going to go ahead, add ours, and we'll continue. So we're going to go ahead, guys, okay, at the Ceratec now. So what we're going to do, when you get it out of the box, make sure you give it a really energetic shake, guys. Shake it as much as you can, upside down, sideways, because some of that stuff could be on the bottom, guys. That magic stuff, okay, could be easily situated there. So we're going to go ahead, open the oil cap right here, okay. Perfect, just like that. We're going to go ahead, open it. If you have white sludge buildup, guys, kind of like looks like pudding, yellow pudding on the oil cap, we have a special video that explains what can easily cause that. Check out the video, will be on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. So we're going to go ahead, open it. We need to remove the seal. Specifically that Mustang, as we talked, takes 2 of these bottles, practically almost. We're going to add 2, it could be a little bit less than 2 to be more precise, and we're going to go ahead and start adding it now, okay. So let's do that. Perfect, we're going to empty, okay, the whole content, put it upside down so it can leak out. We'll get the second one and continue. So we added the first bottle of Ceratec, guys. We'll show you how we're going to add the second one. You're just going to get it out of the box. Make sure you give it a good energetic shake, guys. Really good shake, okay, because you have some of that stuff, magic stuff on the bottom. You're going to remove the oil cap now, okay. And if you guys have like a pudding white sludge buildup on the oil cap, we have a special video that explains what can easily cause that. Video, guys, okay, will be on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. So we're going to go ahead, add the second one. We will let it drain all the way and we'll continue. So this is, guys, in our case the second bottle, because this is pretty big engine. You can read for every 5 liters of oil you need one of these. So depending on your oil capacity on your specific Mustang, you will need to, guys, add 1 or 2. So don't forget to install the cap. Go ahead, start the car, let it idle, guys, outside the garage, of course, not inside the garage. Let it idle for 5-10 minutes to mix everything really good, and then start driving it. You will start noticing, okay, improvement almost immediately, but the big improvement, you will start noticing it after 1 or 2 tanks of fuel. Once you burn 1 or 2 tanks of fuel, you will notice tremendous, okay, improvement, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.